This presentation is going to highlight the advantages of the technology and more specifically the proposal of a intelligent transportation system. Throughout the modern ages, there have been numerous cases where AI and knowledge technology in general have been applied efficiently. These kind of applications allowed people to improve their lives by creating solutions for complex tasks or just improving services which have been evolving during the years. However, there are still markets that have not adopted such technologies thus far, which cause the users to seek new methods or services to accomplish the task required. This presentation proposes an intelligent transportation system using ZigBee sensors and automated problem-solving techniques in order to facilitate the driver's experience when using the public roads and exponentially decrease the accidents which according to the European Union are a major societal issue. In 2011, more than 30,000 people died on the roads of the European Union. Additionally, for every death on Europe roads there are an estimated 4 permanently disabled injuries, 8 serious injuries and 50 minor injuries. In the image you can see the road fatalities since 2001. Numerous accidents who could have been avoided if such technology would emerge. An efficient system is in need in order to solve any problem that any user of the public road network would encounter. According to the European Union statistical data, the number of fatal car accidents is decreasing nowadays, as we already saw. The most important factor is adaptation for technology within the vehicle. The most common hazardous behaviors are alcohol, drugs, cell phone while driving, driver distraction, fatigue, speed, and work-related road safety. An adaptation of a system which could alert the driver about the upcoming hurdles could help decrease the above numbers more. The traffic halts consider traffic signs, roadblocks, railway passages, turns, and traffic signals. A ZigBee host will be important within each car, and by raising the radius of the ZigBee sensor at the traffic halt, all the required information will be transmitted automatically, warning about the specifications of the upcoming problem via screen. All the critical information would be visualized as well, alerting the driver to sound effects and voice alarm. Light alarms could also provide an extra communication method for the most critical halts. Due, the, due to the ZigBee technology specifications, the warning distance could not exceed the 100 meter radius. However, considering the car speed, the time at which the driver has to react appropriately is enough. The flow of information shared between the ZigBee host and the server will be like the ZigBee host ID request for identification, acknowledged by the ZigBee sensor, request of the hard specifications, information shared by the sensor, and finally the host acknowledges the info received. In critical circumstances, example given stop signs, when the user has not taken any action regarding the upcoming hurdle, a knowledge-based system would act according to the preference parameters fit, the speed and the position of the car, the weather, and others. A solution to the problem will be derived according to the automated problem-solving algorithm, plus the reasoning the system already proposed for similar cases of the past and whether the results were acceptable or not. ZigBee is selected against other short wireless networks for a variety of reasons. In short, the advantages are the data transfer rate, which is low, the low operations power cost, the low implementation costs, network capacity, safety, reliability, minimum delay, and a flexible working bud. Knowledge-based systems or expert systems in general use problem-specific knowledge to provide expert performance based on the nature of the problem. A typical knowledge-based system consists of a knowledge base and an inference engine. The knowledge base stores facts about the world, while the inference engine applies rules to the knowledge base in order to produce knowledge. For the inference engine to produce knowledge, the search algorithm plus the reasoning have to be applied. The whole process produces new knowledge when new facts from the knowledge base apply. Summarizing, technology is important to evade areas when human lives are at risk. The implementation of such a system will bring the transportation pathogenic sector to more secure levels. The importance of the implementation rises when it comes to areas where the climate is hard to predict and more stable, thus prioritizing human lives against the cost of the implementation itself. The usage of personal area networks for intelligent transportation systems to facilitate the users provide safety measures to an area that is most in need of technologies and allows system engineers to experiment by collaboration to retrieve the data needed to make the transportation in public roads a much more pleasant experience. Some ethical issues may arise due to the nature of personal area networks when it comes to compute the position of a car tracking its course through the public road network. Those issues are put into consideration, putting them against the safety benefits of the implementation of such an intelligent transportation system. Concluding, the need of knowledge-based system in a scalable corporate and public environment and propose an intelligent transportation system with a reasoning mechanism behind it in order to promote public safety. Technologies like personal area networks and a computer-based system, knowledge-based system in public roads will open new highways when it comes to data manipulation and data mining, plus facilitate the users of the roads to accomplish their everyday tasks without having to worry so much about safety measures. Thank you.